A point. A problem with demographics. Of the albatrosses that journeyed here from that lost colony, nearly 2/3 were female. That means there aren't enough males to go around, and there's just no way a single female can raise a chick. Incubating an egg and rearing a hatchling is such a long commitment, at least 30 weeks. An albatross can't do it all alone. It takes two. So what can they do about it? The answer began to emerge just a few years ago. And for the researchers here at Kaina Point, it was completely unexpected. They were shocked that at some of the nests there were 2 eggs. One was inside, while the other had been pushed out. But an albatross never lays more than a single egg in a breeding season. Where did those extra eggs come from? Genetic testing revealed that the eggs were laid by 2 different females. 2 females that were sharing the nest in a same-sex partnership, like these 2. This same-sex couple does almost everything a male-female couple would do. They take their time getting reacquainted after leading separate lives for months. They have to be in sync. Of course, at least one of them has to mate with a male. If both females end up laying eggs, they'll keep one and reject the other, though we have no idea how they make the choice. An albatross nest is a simple affair, little more than a scooped-out spot in the sand. A brood patch on the belly provides plenty of warmth. With their nests so exposed to the elements and to predators, one parent has to keep a constant vigil while the other is off at sea, for weeks at a time. But after being nest-bound for so long, sometimes it's hard to tear yourself away. The changing of the guard can be a trifle awkward. There's really no choice though. The sitter has to go. These 2 come back here year after year to share nest duties, and they're far from unique. Genetic testing revealed that more than 30% of the breeding pairs at Kaina Point are same-sex female couples. It's not a perfect solution. Only one of the parents gets to pass on her genes to their chick. But for the next breeding season, they may swap roles and incubate the other partner's egg. Someday, when their chick is grown, she'll return to this colony to meet her partner, male or female, and together they'll rear a young one of their own.